good, YouTube? It's your boy, toomuchzae, man. We back with another video, man. You already know, as y'all seen by the title, is how do we invest in the Bitcoin at under the age of 18? I'm going to be putting y'all on some free game right now, man. So go ahead, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, man. And comment down below if this was able to work for y'all and if this helped, okay? So, y'all, by the way, if y'all didn't know, on this channel, we like to buy assets. We like to grow our money. We like to grow our mind, our pockets, in our future, y'all. That's what we like to grow, y'all. So today we'll be growing our pockets by growing our asset column, okay? We want to grow our portfolio, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go over here to Cash App, all right? So y'all see we on the basic Cash App scene. This is probably what you'll see when you first download the app. You open it, Cash App, okay? I'll put the link right here. I'll put the link in the description, okay? And it's right here. Hit that link, you feel me? Open up a Cash App, okay? After that, if you have a phone number, put in your phone number, email for this instance. I'm going to use email. Okay, gmail.com. All right, y'all. By the way, this is my business email, so if y'all need anything, getting your videos edited, want to hit me on something personal, want coaching one-on-one, investing ideas, need help, anything, bro, just hit the email, man. I'll email y'all back, bro, anything. Okay. Email, and then after that, we're going to get the code, y'all. So go over here to, boom. Now, all it's going to do is ask us for, so if you have a debit card, you can put this in there. If you have a debit card for this, we won't be using it. So if y'all want to cash at me, I don't need the money. I'll probably be turning around giving it away. So we'll be doing giveaways too. But y'all, so hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for the upcoming giveaways. So after that, yes, y'all, the Cash App card will make a Cash App a lot better. I recommend it. It don't matter. For now, I'll show y'all guys. So literally choose anything. You feel me? But, you know what I'm saying, put your address in there. Basically, you just have to put all that information in as well. All right, just put that information in, okay? Then it's going to actually say, welcome to Cash App with you, all that. And boom, there we go. We got too much funds now, okay? So how we get to the investing part? Now we opened up a Cash App. We want to get to the investing part. We linked our bank. We got our credit card or debit card if we want it in there. You don't have to do it. Let's get to investing. Okay, so here is what we do. First, we want to go over here to the search, and then we want to type in Bitcoin. Okay, that's all you want to type in. Just type in BIT. And then it says buy Bitcoin for as little as $1. Get paid in Bitcoin, invest from direct deposit. You know what I'm saying? You can get deposit, all that. So you're going to hit buy Bitcoin, $1, any amount. And guess what, y'all? Like $5. I don't know what it's at right now, but let's get it. Then we type in my PIN, and just like that, y'all, we have, it's 15 cents too for the fees. We bought Bitcoin. We bought 15,886 sats. I don't know what that is. Bitcoin is down 17% today. It's up a lot percent on all time, y'all. But long story short, y'all, this is why we invest, y'all. No type of anything brings returns like this legally. 40% on the year. Fourfold all time high. 229,000%, 773. You don't get returns like that on a daily basis, y'all. So that's why we invest, y'all. And we could also go over here to the stock market. We could buy stocks too. I'm big in the stocks. I don't really invest in too much of stocks as far as on here, but I probably would give stocks away, y'all. So actually that's what I might do, y'all. So low key, if once we hit 200 subscribers, nah, that's too easy. Once we hit 250 subscribers and 50,000 views, 250 subscribers and 50,000 views, that's easy because we're at 10K already. 50,000 views. I'll give away one free share of, I ain't gonna hold y'all too. I'm gonna pick a decent stock. How much Apple going for right now? Apple like 180s. Let me see. How much is Apple? I'm trying to buy like a whole share though. They're not. 186. That's didn't like giving away like 200. Yeah, how about that, low key? Now we gotta hit 300 subs. We could hit 300 subs. Once we hit 300 subs and 50K views, I'll give away a free share of Apple stock. All right, on me, on boy, on me. So serious. One free share, okay? One free share. So on Cash App, man. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, y'all. That is exactly how you purchased Bitcoin and stocks. You feel me? On the easy. You feel me? It's real life easy, y'all. So make sure y'all tap in with the channel. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, man. I appreciate y'all for with the content. Now I'm rocking with y'all, man. So y'all rocking with me, and I'm out this y'all, man. Peace. Free game.